From Kalamazoo, direct to you, it's a WKZO.com quickcast.
Steve Barber, Kalamazoo.
Steve, tell me a little bit about why you came out today and you feel the importance to be here.
I think it's time to have health care for all Americans. It's as American as anything you can come up with. I mean, it's really important. We've got to make sure everybody has health care and that it's affordable, and that so that people are not having to go bankrupt to have their medical problems treated. That's a tragedy. And these problems are all solvable. The medical community's behind reform. People are behind reform. Everybody's ready, and now is the time. That's why I'm out here today.
And why do you think there's such a partisan problem on this in terms of getting it passed, in terms of, the conversation that's being had? Why is it Republican and Democrat?
Well, I think people aren't listening to one another. People are misinformed. There's a lot of misinformation on both sides, but a lot of misinformation against the reform. Many of the things that are being said on the TVs and radios it's just misinformation. If people could really get together and listen together, as we did the other night in the library, we actually had a calm meeting and listened to one another. I certainly didn't agree with many of the people, but I was glad everybody got to speak, and it's just time.
Is that why these healthcare rallies are so important, to be able to get the message out to the people?
It's important to get people aware of it. Let them know that it is an issue and it's something that should be important to them. People often just stand around and kind of wait for things to happen. And I think it's real important that we all understand it's up to us. It's not up to our representatives, although they need to do their part, and that's one of the reasons we're here today. Obama can't do it by himself. We need to tell them it's important to us, and they have to do it, because really they want to be elected, and we're the people who elect them.